past 10 o'clock on Thursday, August 26th. This has been going on for a while. This is just, it's, it's as loud. I mean, it's just loud, and there's nowhere in our house where we can escape this noise. I mean, this is our house. That's my bedroom right up there. My kids are just on the other side of that, and I mean, it's a weeknight. I have to work. This is, I mean, it's illegal, right? And there's been lots of complaints. I don't know why anything's not being done here. It's pretty frustrating at this point. I mean, this is crazy. I'm really getting angry.